Hello, my name is Avik, and today I will show you the working of a automatic braking system with the help of this model. What we have here is an ultrasonic sensor, an LCD screen which is acting like our dash, and a potentiometer which is essentially our brake pedal. We also have these three LEDs which represent the three stages of an automatic braking system. The blue LED will light up when the distance between your car and the car ahead of you is between 30 to 20 meters. The yellow one will light up when the distance reduces to 20 meters to 10 meters, and the red one will light up when the distance is below 10 meters. Also, when the yellow LED is lit up, the system will help the driver in braking. So it's basically assisting the driver in braking. And when the distance between the car is lesser than 10 meters, the system will apply the full brakes. Now we'll go on to see how the model works. We have here a box which represents our car, and I'll represent the working of the system right now. Now we are currently cruising at 60 miles per hour, and I gradually apply my brakes. You can see that the deceleration is minus 2 meters per second square, and the speed is reducing steadily. Now I release the brakes and the speed rises again. Now we enter a scenario where the distance between your car and the car ahead of you is lesser than 30 meters. I start braking, and the distance between the two cars is displayed, and the warning is shown by the glowing of the blue LED. Now the speed rises again to 60 miles per hour. Now we have a scenario where the distance between two cars is lesser than 20 meters. Now we will see that when we apply the brakes, the system will assist the driver in braking, and the deceleration of the car is quicker. As you can see, the deceleration of the car was much quicker. And now we will demonstrate a scenario where the distance between the two cars is lesser than 10 meters, where the system will apply the full brakes. Here it goes. The system is applying the full brakes, and it comes to a stop in a matter of seconds.